As a chico cabiama, cheerful one. As a corner bag house, I go on. Ofumbula quadro quando me fu no co. Ndibo cloco. My son, Afamefu, left the shores of this country for the past 10 years. Since then, nobody is quite sure whether Afamefu is dead or alive. As a Chukwuka Kabiama, I am begging you, if my son Afamefu is still alive, compel him to come. His mother and I are lost. We are troubled. Chukwuka Kabiama, I am saying that whatever that my family and I will eat will never elude us. Chukwuka Kabiama, whatever that will devour, my family and I will not see the light of the day. Those who says that my family and I will not succeed, they will go to bed before dusk. If I can't your own okay? Go me an I don't even make an one. Man of a Totoma, you awake?
Good morning.
Morning. Are we still going to the farm?
Yes, we're going to the farm.
That's okay. So quickly prepare my farm tools. Okay. Let me go inside and change to my farm clothes.
Meanwhile, let me keep this thing inside.
No, I will keep it. I'm going in. Okay. Just go and prepare my farm tools.
Okay, now.
Get my farm tools.
Yes. I'll miss you boys. Oh God, I wish you would spend much time with us. You know what? I really enjoyed this.
I'm telling you,
I know. I told you I was going to enjoy my village.
I have fun. See you.
Don't worry. When I finish what I'm doing, I'll see you.
Sure,
guys,
I'll be expecting you.
I'm coming back to the city soon as soon as possible. Bring it to the back. Why are you always very dramatic? Oh, my finger and get the other bag. Is this why you're feeling like this? Just to carry back. Come on, man. Wait for you, let me put the other bag.
The other one is more heavy. Contains going. Bye-bye.
Just be careful. Protect her. Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
Oh my God.
Oh my God.
Ekene.
Onye? Oh. Okay.
Welcome, Kedo. How are you?
Hey. But I slept late last night, man.
I wish I was in your shoes. You're not looking cheerful. What's the matter?
Amanda's mother slapped me yesterday. Can you believe that?
Amanda's mother slapped you. For what?
She doesn't want me anywhere near her daughter. She said, just stay away from her.
Nonsense. That's arrant nonsense. How can she slap you because she doesn't want you around her daughter? Is her daughter not old enough to know what she wants in marriage? How?
Look, see, I want you to advise me on something. What do you think? Do you think I should continue with my plans? Or I should just stop?
So, you see, yes, I don't support what the woman did by slapping you, but I seriously want to ask you one very important question before I advise you. Do you truly love Amanda for marriage, or you just playing all this game because of her money? Talk to me, Nehemiah. Izu? You...
So, where are you going to?
I was actually coming to see you.
Oh, really? I was heading to the bank. I don't know where the bank is in the village here. Do you know where I can get them? Where there's a bank?
Yeah. I know somewhere around here.
They said something in the market square.
Yeah, yes, market square, yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
So you said you wanted to come see me. I hope there's no problem.
No, I just come to tell you that my brother really likes you.
Your brother likes me?
Yeah.
Wow. That's interesting. Are you serious?
Of course I am. He says he wants to marry you.
That's pretty forward. So you're serious, really?
I am serious. I'm not joking.
Okay, I see. Well, if he really is interested in marrying me, I think he should do the best thing and the proper thing to do, which is to come see my parents.
Of course, he will. But you're not seeing anybody, right?
Well, presently, no, I am not.
Okay, don't worry. I'll talk to him. He'll come and see you.
No problem. Amanda. Oh,
yeah.
Please, come show me the bank. Let's go into the car.
Okay.
The other way.
You don't have respect. How dare you, police civilian like you? You don't know that you're supposed to greet me. Chief security officer. You're playing with fire.
You know I love Amanda. You and I know that. Yeah, I love Amanda. And secondly, she's rich. So any guy that will marry her automatically becomes rich. So you see, it works both ways. Right? So there is love and there is wealth. Put it together, don't finish.
Blend.
Exactly.
It's so easy if you ask me. I'll personally advise you to walk up to her, make your intentions known. Forget whatever threat the mother is putting up. Amanda is old enough to know what she wants. The man will tell her who to marry now. You don't understand?
Man, I thank you. I'm telling you. You don't know how I'm relieved for, to get somebody to be thinking the same thing that you are thinking. It's amazing. lifted my spirits and given me so much happiness. Hey! Man, I thank you.
Good.
Hi.
Giving you happiness is one thing. Uplifting the spirit, no, another one. But the main cocoa be say, walk up to that girl on time. Tell her what you want. Amanda, I love you. I want us to spend the rest of our lives together.
Right.
Guys don't joke with rich girls. As you the target her, I saw that guy the target her. And they tell you. So hurry up now and tell her and know your fate. Yes, so.
It's true.
No. If you ask me, delay has always been dangerous. And from the way you're talking about this girl, it is obvious you love her. Izu, Amanda is a very beautiful woman. And if you don't make hay, suitors will begin to rush her. And you know what that means? These suitors will be guys who get money past you. And you know the implication.
That's true. So what do you think? Should I discuss it with Amaka before I talk to Amanda, or should I just go straight ahead?
Amaka, no now. Discussing with Amaka, but you propose to Amaka, no now. It won't work. Listen, go straight to Amanda.
Right.
Tell her this is what you want. Right. Babe, I like you. Listen, Austin is standing by. MNK is standing by. And if you delay, this guy is good. She's rich, and you know what it means. Guys, everybody likes soft landing.
Wait, who are you talking about? Austin? Mechanic Austin?
No, director.
No, it's not possible now. It's not possible. What are you saying? Look me. Look me. It won't happen. It won't happen.
You think it's a fine boy thing? Listen. No, fine boy no they work for everything, oh. You better let them know your mind now before you say, hey, look me. Be careful, oh. Guys, they were smart, oh. Go take them from you.
Wait. Ekene, what are you trying to say? No, make a best. No formal hand. What are you saying? Are you saying I'm not smart? Are you saying I am not smart?
You are smart, but...
fine. We are smart. What are you telling me?
Make your fineness not deceive you. Listen, not everything fine boy they work. Fine boy is but make hay. Before a mechanic will come collect your woman for you.
It's all good. Just tell her, that's his point.
Okay now.
Abi?
Okay now.
Forget the mama.
You can go and continue that you're doing.
Forget.
My guy.
Forget the mother. I think when she go marry her daughter. Come on there. That is self fine boy for market. Just have a guy. You go get money, no mind. You go get money.
Is there a problem? Why are you crying? What is it? Something wrong?
I woke up and I didn't see you.
And what did you think? Somebody came, took me away to kill me, Abby? Oh, come on. I just went to see a friend.
Listen to the days are evil. I don't want to be a widow at this age.
And me, I want to die at this age. What are you saying now?
Please, if you're going out that early next time, just wake me up so I lock the door before anybody breaks into the house.
No shaking, no wahala, no problem. Sorry, no? Can you get water for me to take a bath? I'm sorry now. Where are you going?
Please just give me 5 minutes, I'll be back, okay?
Where are you going?
I want to buy bread.
Bread? You can get that later now. Just get me something to eat before I go to the workshop, please. Okay. Before I go to the workshop. Yeah, now.
good news.
Of course, Papa.
Okay.
Papa, it's done and dusted. Amanda is not dating anyone, and she agreed to marry Pius.
Hey! Beautiful news. But the hurdle now is how to convince your brother to dump that girl Jen and marry this young millionaire.
Papa, you don't have to say that. I'll convince him. After all, it's not easy for one to go to bed as a pauper and wake up in the morning as a millionaire.
That is it. And in fact, directly this happens, the first project will be to bring down this old house I built in the 60s, and put up a very big mansion here.
Hey! Papa, you can work out. You and the million go. Hey. Okay, no problem. All I need from him as a job well done is just a small clinker.
Oh, yes, yes. And as a member of the council, I think I should have a quota Ekeneze.
Hey!
Yes, I need a quota Ekeneze from him so that everybody will respect me. Yeah?
What about I go now? Okay, Papa.
Hey, that is it. What do you have in that bag?
Akara bread.
Akara bread. Give me some now. Give me.
Papa, give you some. You cannot comment akara bread with rice and stew now.
Oh, you want to go and eat it? Look, please, keep my own from you. Keep my own for me.
Oh, I heard you. Hey, Papa. Papa, I said I should ask Pius when we come and see her parents.
And what did you there?
I said before this week runs off.
I hope your brother will not disappoint us.
He will not.
Pius. Pius.
Papa, let me get my bread.
Remember to keep my own for me. Don't finish it. Keep my own for me.
Okay, I will.
Pius. POS. POS.
I'm my childhood friend. I'm my childhood friend.
Hey. What is that? Someday, search yourself or I search you. So you're even putting on an eyeglass, but you can't even see security checkpoints.
Adaka, what is the problem, Adaka?
Inajum, what is the problem? Okay, search yourself or I search you.
Adaka, why are you talking like this as if you don't know who I am?
Yeah, Mr. Bonoma. See, whenever I am in my full regalium as a security officer, specialist in community policing department, I don't know anybody. Because if you do anyhow, I will butcher you. Everybody is a suspect.
Even me?
Even you.
Even me, Ebo?
Yeah. What is your mission here, sir?
Well, I came to see my childhood friend, Anyin, and I brought this palm wine for him.
Are you sure that you have original palm wine? Or you tested it?
Why are you talking like this, Adaka?
Everybody, like I said, everybody is a suspect. I am security vigilant here. Test this palm wine, and I will test this thing with this cutlass on your neck.
Even me. Okay, no, I will do as you said. Adaka, my man.
Let me see that. I'm not satisfied. I don't trust you. I don't. Are you sure this is original palm wine?
Trust me now. Adaka, don't finish it, oh. Adaka.
I'm doing my security work. Yes. It's original. It's original.
So I can go and see my friend.
You can go.
What about Amanda? Has she gone back to Ibo?
Yeah, Mr. Bonoma. Are you here for your friend or for Amanda?
It's okay. Alaka, let me see my animal childhood friend, eh?
You can go.
Alaka, my man.
This is the only thing I'm gaining in this place. All this testing. Someone should bring up. Let me even test that one too. Hey.
Amaka, come and clear this place. Amaka! Where is this idiot? Can you come and clear the place here? Amaka! Where did you go?
I'm so hungry, so I...
You are a big fool. You are an idiot. Clear the table.
Sorry.
You're sorry for yourself. Sorry for yourself. Look, it's about time we reconsider this marriage. Because I don't like the way things are happening. Don't go, you go. Don't go, you still went. What is it? You don't listen to me. It's not working. I'm telling you. Can you get out of here? Tell you don't go. You go. Clear the place. I can't find you.
What I need is a boy and a girl. Okay, 2 children only.
And if I may ask why?
Okay, let me tell you. See, the economy of this country is dwindling very fast. Okay, so one need to plan according to the number of children you can cater for.
I disagree with you. Eh? Okay, let's have 5. No, 6.
6.
Or 10.
No, now, Jane. 6 is much. I mean, this is not too much.
How is it too much? Moreover, we're still very young and energetic. What we're going to eat or what the kids are going to eat will not be a problem when the time comes. Okay. I'm even thinking of having 10. You're talking about complaining that 6 is too much. How can 6 be too much?
Jane, please, listen. It's not always about food and clothing, okay?
But baby, let's have 10 first, But don't worry, when that time comes, don't complain. Don't complain again. When that time comes, we'll cross it,
You've not thought about education. Education is quite expensive now, you know.
Baby, when we get to the bridge, we'll cross it. Forget about it. Meanwhile, just concentrate on the 10 babies that we are having. 10 cute ones, 5 boys, 5 girls. That's what we are having. 10 is okay now. Tina, welcome. Good afternoon. Good afternoon.
Papa asked me to come call you.
I hope all is well. Is there anything the matter?
I don't know. They just said I should come and call you.
Okay, all right, go and tell Papa I'm coming.
Jane.
Alright, sweetheart.
I'm coming.
I'm going with you.
I know you miss me.
Alright, Papa, please let me see you.
Yeah, come and see me out.
Alright, let's go.
See that man, he will never know peace. Even that marriage, peace will be denied that marriage.
Oh baby, is it possible for a woman to get married to a man he's not in love with?
Are you actually asking me that? Of course now. Look, when age is no longer on the side of the woman, okay, because the woman is bound to say yes to any available man.
What are you trying to say? I'd rather vote in my father's house than get married to a man I'm not in love with.
Oh, baby. Okay. Tell me the truth. You want to tell me that if a wealthy man, that if someone like Obi Versace comes to ask your hand in marriage, you will not abandon me and marry me? Tell me the truth.
Are you seriously asking me that kind of a question? I will never. Baby, I can't be bought this money. Is it that you or you? Forever.
I love you.
I love you too.
Never ever with that, okay?
Same here.
Okay.
Okay, let me start going back now. I've tried now. Did I try?
Let's go on.
I'm tired. Ask him to think out. Come back on time.
I will. Okay.
Alright.
I take care of yourself. And stay up.
Okay.
Alright. Okay.
I love you.
I love
Bye.
you. I love you. Bye. Be careful.
Papa, I lied to Pius. I told him that you asked me to call him.
Why would you do a thing like that, eh?
Papa,
Why?
Papa, I'm sorry. It just... Papa, Pius is here.
Yeah, Pius.
Sent Tina to call me.
Yes. Do you still remember that that your friend, the devils of Ezan village? He's burying his wife today.
Today what?
Have you forgotten?
No, Papa, it's not today. It's on the 17th of next month, not today.
I was under the impression that it was today.
Papa, is that why you called me?
Because if the burial is happening today, you should be there.
I just told you it's not today, 17th of next month. Tina.
Those good that was how we were doing it.
Papa, I was so scared.
Scared for what? When I'm here. Scared, okay. I know Pius, I know because I know he will get angry with you. You know him. I'm like, take care of him. I know how to take care of him.
Thank you, Papa.
No problem.
I don't know why it's taking Lucy time to feed security personnel. When we get angry, hunger can trigger anger. Yeah? I'm not doing the job with you. Get that. I say you should get that. Hey, Oga, stop there.
I beg great.
I beg for your greeting. Is it by force to accept your greetings? Oga, there is nothing good about your greetings. Your greeting is not akara bread. It's not mineral that I will use and be downloading this my bread and manage. Respect yourself, Oga.
Okay. See, hold on.
Correct. So you know what to do since you are greeting me. You have registered your file. So by the way, what are you doing here?
It's Amanda.
Amanda. So sorry, my brother. You came at the wrong time.
What do you mean I came at the wrong time? Is Amanda there? Is she not in?
Amanda is sleeping. You can't see Amanda now.
Sleeping?
Yes.
At this time? No, now. Are you sure? Go and check.
See, I am the chief security officer in this compound. I know everything when they happen for this compound. My madam came back from Obodo Ibo, so whenever the sun comes to this middle of the sky, they will start sleeping. All the people in overseas. So she's sleeping, and as a matter of standing order, I can't wake her up.
Okay, when she comes, tell her I was here, okay?
Huh?
What's wrong with this guy? What is it?
So because of this small 500 naira, you decided to turn me to an errand boy.
What is errand boy about this? I've come to see your madam. You said she's asleep. So, okay, if you wake up, tell her, I was here. How difficult is that? Now, Allah.
Okay. Because of this money, I will match your leg.
Meanwhile, you don't collect my money, Abi. Just to give message, you can't give message. You don't collect my 500.
Government officials, we don't return stolen properties. We recover. This one, I've recovered this one from you.
So you can't give me back?
Okay. I will match your leg.
It's okay now. Tell her I was here.
Okay, you are talking to security personnel.
When she gets up, please tell her I was here. I beg. And they go now.
And people like you go use this small waka come carry person. No problem, let me see you here again. Might be hungry. My ancestors will eat and I will eat.
Let me tell you. The office of the chief security is an exalted one and should not be bastardized by an animal like you.
Yeah. You called me an animal.
You were an animal.
Okay. Okay. I will show you what a wild animal can do to a human being.
And what do you think you're doing?
Yeah, no.
Let me warn you. You better be careful in this compound.
Okay.
Else, I will deal with you.
You will remain there and I will finish my bread. Idiot, you are calling me. You are calling me animal. I said you should call me, sir. Open now. Hey, I don't want to commit murder. Hey, my father. Stand off. This morning, don't they do? Myself. Nonsense. My father, this is the only good thing I inherited from my father. Daddy, rest in peace. The only good thing I inherited from my father.
What is happening? Why did your husband slap you?
I wouldn't lie, he did slap me. He was just abusing me. He called me all manner of names. He said I was stupid. He called me an idiot. He said I amount to nothing. I should just leave him. I should come and leave. That we're not supposed to be together. I don't know.
No matter what now, no matter what. I mean, insulting his wife. Don't worry, I'll talk to him, okay? I'll talk to him.
Okay, can I really? It's not his fault. It's my fault.
Not his fault. Your fault? How?
I served him food and I didn't wait for him to finish before going to buy bread. was supposed to remove the plate before leaving. So he called me to come and clear it and I wasn't around. So that's it.
But so this is not enough now. What's the big deal in returning the... Well, no problems. I will talk to him, and I'll make sure I get this sorted out. Don't worry. Don't worry.
See, please, I didn't come here to report him. Oh, please, I just want you to help me and beg my husband. I love Izu so much. I don't want to lose him. I don't want him to chase me out of the house, please. Just help me beg him. That's it.
Hurry. Izu won't chase you out of the house, He won't, okay? He won't chase you out of the house. Just calm down. Everything will be fine.
I pray so.
You know, it's okay. Don't even start. He loves you, I know, and you love him.
Do you think so?
I know so. Don't worry, we'll sort it out,
Thank you. Thank you.
It's okay.
Let me be going.
It's alright. It's alright. Why?
I'm fine. Thank you. Thank you, sir. So what is up? Hey.
Easy.
Dollar.
Why you back here? When you
Okay, get it, dollar.
Why?
Rest.
Tina, you came back.
Yeah.
But your brother has gone home.
I know. I actually came to tell you something.
You cracked a joke and I won't listen to you this time.
Cracked? I'm serious. You're always walking. Don't you rest?
How many times do you come to my house in a month?
3
times. Next time try to make it 4. And I promise you this time, you're not going to meet me doing anything.
Okay, no problem.
And please go to the kitchen and get something to eat.
I'm fine. I'm okay.
You said there's something you want to talk to me about.
The world have ears. Let's just go inside.
Izu, you know that I know why you slapped her. So stop giving me flimsy excuses.
I'm not giving you flimsy excuses. Do you know what happened? If only she had answered me when I called her. I called her 3, 4, or 5 times. And she didn't answer my call. What do you expect me to do? I wouldn't have laid a finger on her if she answered me.
But you know that woman is pregnant and anything is possible.
She's pregnant. No baby they carry. Or na Jesus. Normal baby.
Ha! I'm not even talking about the baby. If that woman had died as a result of domestic violence, her parents would not let you go scot-free.
Okay now. Okay. Make him come out from my house. Just tell her to leave. Make him pack come out. I don't want domestic violence, wala.
If you ask that woman to leave your house, she will kill herself.
She will kill. Tired of love. I am tired of love. Now, what are they saying now, guy? I'm tired of love.
But
I'm telling you.
That woman is carrying your baby for God's sake. She's pregnant.
What do you want of? Amanda is barren? No. She can give me children. Beautiful, sweet children. What are you saying?
Have you proposed to her? Have you?
Not yet, but before the day is over, I will tell her.
You see, Zu, the last time I checked, our culture was not against polygamy. Amaka can still stay. It is not a crime.
No. It depends on what Amanda wants. If Amanda is willing to share me, yeah, okay now. If she doesn't want to share me, then Amaka has to leave. As simple as that.
So it is what Amanda says that stands.
Ma'am.
But you are the man.
She has the money.
Is there anything wrong with you?
I decrease.
You decrease?
I decrease.
It's obvious you decrease. You say decrease. The one do.
Is this not Ogunpo?
Yes, it's from him.
Honestly, this man is the best Hawaii tapper in the Igbo land and even beyond.
Of course, if he's from Europe, the social media will have blown him beyond proportion.
But you know, as far as Oyibo is concerned, we Africans are inferior.
Yet, every now and then, the inferior will go into their country. Without stress.
Hey.
Well,
but honestly, this palm wine.
Annie, my girlfriend, the reason I came to the house this morning was because of the ripe pawpaw in your compound. And I would like to pluck it for my son Emeka, who is in Port Harcourt.
My good friend, you are getting me confused. Yes, you know I have 2 ripe pawpaw fruits in my compound here, so I don't know the one you are talking about.
Well, you see, Amanda, your first daughter.
That is good, Amanda. But have you spoken with her?
No. You and I are custodians of our tradition. In the olden days, the parents chose for their children whom to marry and whom not to marry.
You are talking about olden days. You know, my daughter just returned back from Dubai. And you know that none of our children in this our community has traveled out of this country. So talking about olden days, I'm all yes.
But you are my childhood friend. Yeah? I want to use this marriage to cement our friendship.
That is good. I sincerely want your son to marry my daughter. But the onions there, my good friend, is that I won't be the one to choose for my daughter whom to marry. If we will.
You are the father. Yeah? Okulu anahakaryonya Korea. Yeah? 2 years no fenu. Yeah? Make a water that no way a weapon abana. Or only. Yeah?
Alright, my good friend.
And she would disobey you.
I will try.
I appreciate it.
Hey, my guy.
That is this.
My good friend, like I said, I've heard what you said. I will try as possible as to convince my daughter to marry to your son. Huh?
Thank you. Thank you very much. I promise she will never regret it. Because my son, Emeka, ebutegi ike na Port Harcourt. Obutegi ego igwe.
Are you serious?
Yes, of course.
Okay. But what is he doing for a living?
He's a businessman. He has almost 2 shops in the popular railway market. The biggest market in Port Harcourt.
Anyway, like I said, I've heard you. I will try my best. Udogadi.
It's okay. And I will send my daughter.
Okay.
To come and collect the
letter. Email her.
I'm my man.
My regards.
I'm my man. Okay, be go kwa.
If we go
near. Okay, be go kwa. What be yourself for? My in-law.
Email her.
Thank you so much.
Papa, did you promise Maziemeka that his son will marry?
No. I told him I would talk to you. Yes, but that the choice is yours.
But seriously, like seriously, this whole thing is beginning to get to me and it's making me angry. Like I don't understand why everyone is interested in me getting married. What is going on? What's all this?
Wait, Chimamanda, are you saying you won't marry Emeka again?
Why would I marry him, Papa? Like God forbid, why will I marry him? Because God should forbid a thing like that. You know, I knew when his father brought this drink that he was up to something. I knew he was up to something.
But if you must know, my daughter, Ebonoma is my childhood friend. His son is a businessman that based in Port Harcourt.
So?
Anyway, my daughter, I am not imposing any man on you. But at the same time, I want you to know that integrity is worth more than wealth.
Papa, I am sick and tired of everyone poking their nose into my business. Everyone should let me be. What is all this marry up and down? When I am ready, I get married to the man I want.
Well, you said so.
If you're drinking this, you're drinking it at your own detriment. Because I'm not ready to marry his son.
Remember, you are talking to your father.
I'm sorry, but I'm angry. I'm an adult. I should be given the opportunity to make my decisions.
Anyway, if you say so.
You see, Izundu, Amanda has a very good heart. And I'm very sure she will not ask you to divorce Amaka, your wife, and marry her.
I know now, she's not going to ask me to do that. But even whether she asks me or she doesn't ask me, I'm not going to sit down for her to insult my wife. I'm not going to watch that happen.
You know Amaka is humble. Very, very humble. I know that.
But she must be humble. Wretched woman, poor woman, you don't get anything. Don't be humble, you go humble. Or you go carry shoulder. No, nah.
It's Izundu.
You must humble.
Let me pick this call. Hello. Yes. I will be with you in a jiffy. Yes, in a jiffy. It's okay. Izu, try and give it a shot, okay? Give it your best shot. Today is your day. Go with your full strength, your full best. Possess your possession. One day, give me 5, man. Possess your possession with your full chest. Man, I'm checking it out, man.
Adaka, wait for me in the car. I said wait for me in the car.
No, madam. I have to be here in case of any eventuality.
Adaka!
Okay, all correct, ma.
My love, you're welcome. I've missed you. It's really nice seeing you, telling you.
As you can see, we are no longer on the same level. Keep away from me.
Amanda, I love you. I still love you.
You don't love me. You love my money. Keep away from me, else I will crush you.
Amanda, please let me explain.
There is nothing to explain, Izondo.
I say you should not divide the love.
7 years of waiting for Pius. He wants to dump me and marry another girl.
Oh. Pius does not love Amanda. All he wants is Amanda's money.
Oh, please. He doesn't love Amanda, yet he wants to marry her.
Marrying Amanda without a child from Amanda is even worse for her.
And what makes you think they will not have a child together?
Because she did 10 abortions when we were in school and she removed her womb before she traveled to Dubai.
Where did you hear that story from?
Have you forgotten Amanda is my friend? And I know all her secrets.
But are you trying to tell me that if I play along, your brother will not disappoint me?
He will not. Trust me, he will not. My father will do everything for my brother to marry you.
Okay, fine. I'll think about it. But I'm not promising you anything.
It's fine, it's fine. But please, my brother don't know anything about this. My father and I are really counting on you to make our plans work.
Get out. Have you lost it? I said get out from my house. I said get out from... Get out. Stupid. Stop moving. Get out. Idiot. If you come back to my house again, get out. Stupid.
So all this thing that is happening, I don't just understand. Like me now, nobody will choose for me who to marry. Nobody will tell me who to marry. If I like, I will marry Princess Muigwe. If I like, I will marry a graduate. If I like, I will marry anybody of my choice. It's a modern world. That is how it's supposed to be.
See, in our own days, could you believe that my father went and paid my wife dowry without my consent?
Just like that.
And sent her to come and meet me in Enugu.
Enugu. Just like that.
My wife is there. Go and ask her.
Oh God. Nah, nobody will try that with me. I swear. Sorry. Like, nobody will try that with me. When I want to marry, I will make sure that I have tested all the fine girls in this our community. All my girlfriends that like me because of this my security work. You see, I will test Jennifer. I will test Obegeli. I will test Nkendelem. I will test all of them. I will even test Ngozi and select the sweetest.
Test?
Not your own Ngozi. Ngozi Wangwa. I will test her too. Then make a selection of two. Of who to marry. Nah.
Papa, did you succeed?
Yes, I did. And my friend Annie said that he will talk to her daughter and get back to me soonest.
Hey, Papa, I was on call with Brother Make a few minutes ago. Hey.
Has he suddenly changed his mind?
No. He wanted to be sure if he should send the message to me so I can give to Amanda.
There's nothing wrong with that. Let him buy the gift, then you can take it to Amanda.
Papa, that's exactly what I told him. Papa, you forgot your gallon.
No, I did not. They have not drank the wine. At your convenient time, you can go and pick the gallon. Amara.
You think I was harsh on him, right?
Except if you still love him.
God forbid. Why would I?
God cannot forbid love because he's a loving God. He loves us.
Well, the same God said we should not put asunder in what he has joined together. So I'm not in love with Izuna.
Then, remove your mind from him.
And who said I was thinking about him in the first place? Here, pack the car well.
Madam, any security threat? Which of the bag? Madam, you got to get the bag in the car. I'm the security officer. I should be the one commanding you.
Yeah.
So I don't have any like
You drunk? Baby, you're drunk.
Me drunk.
I've been looking for you and you went drinking.
Me, I'm drunk. You are a fool. Idiot. Get out of my face.
Wait.
Get out!
Please.
What? Get out of my face!
Please stop now.
You are still standing.
Baby, I just want to say.
Leave! Leave!
Sorry.
You want to make me? Abby?
I'm sorry.
Get out! Get out!
Follow. Mad? Are you mad? Come here now!
What is it?
Nothing.
Look, I want to apologize for what happened last night, okay?
Baby, it's okay. I have already forgiven you. Even before you asked.
Good. Well done. I want to ask you a serious question. One serious question like that.
Okay.
Is marriage by force? I'm saying, is marriage by force?
Listen, I love you.
That is not the answer to my question. I said, is marriage by force? I can't hear you. Say it.
It's not by force. Isn't it? But I love you. I want to spend the rest of my life with you.